Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Honda Accord software. Begin by checking your car's infotainment version in Settings and note the version number before downloading updates to a USB drive. Use the manufacturer's update file, verify file integrity, and follow on-screen prompts carefully to avoid interruption. If a dealer is preferred, schedule a service appointment and ask about any recalls or compatibility notes. Keep your phone charged and bring a backup cable. Locate the official Honda update file online at the manufacturer site and download the correct package matching your model and infotainment version. Format a USB drive to FAT32, create the required folder structure, and copy the update file to the root. Double-check file name and size against Honda instructions, then safely eject the drive and bring it to the car for installation. Keep a second USB as a backup in case of corruption. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long car tasks, fits cup holders, and has a secure lid for spill-free work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider one for your garage kit. I appreciate every like and new subscriber. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Before installing, turn the car engine to accessory mode and ensure battery is healthy to prevent power loss during update. Insert the USB, follow on-screen prompts, and do not touch controls or turn off the vehicle while files copy and the system reboots. Expect multiple reboots and progress bars. Remain patient and wait for confirmation that the update completed successfully. If errors appear, note codes and contact support before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.